We've just got up and we're having some breakfast, waiting for our bus to arrive. And we're going to Halong Bay today. It's a 4-hour bus ride. Not super excited about that. We'll probably just sleep on the bus.
I'm so tired. I'm hoping we're going to sleep, but I don't know if it's windy or not, so I guess we'll see.
Yeah. We're on a 2-night, 3-day cruise before?
Yeah,
bus boat adventure, so we're going to do like swimming and snorkeling and all sorts of fun stuff.
Yeah, tonight we're staying on a boat, which I've never done before, so it'll be interesting.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Here we are at our first stop. It's like a big art place. They just said get off the bus.
It's a halfway point to get to Halong Bay, so it's supposed to be a rest stop, but also you can come and buy stuff.
Yeah.
As usual. We just made it onto our boat. I don't think we've left yet. No, we're still tied up. It's really dark though.
This is our little room on the boat. It's pretty sweet. I think the boat's like 3 levels, so it's like these down the bottom, dining and bar next, and then like a roof deck as well. So when we get a chance, we'll give you a full tour of it. What are your first impressions, Jane?
I don't know about sleeping on a boat. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself, but it doesn't feel like it's going to move that much, hopefully.
Jane's afraid of everything. Trains, planes, boats, cars, motorbikes. If it moves, it's scary and she's going to die. We're going to be fine.
There's no life jackets in here. I've already searched.
So this is the top deck of the boat. You can see everything.
This is so amazing. It's beautiful. And this is the dining room and bar area. Canoeing in Halong Bay. It is amazing!
I don't see the fish jump.
Oh! Oh! I hope I got that, because I saw that too. Just get off the boat now to go to the Hang Sun Sot Cave. I'm just guessing that's what it's called because there's a massive big sign right there.
I didn't even see that. Photos and film just don't do justice to how massive this place is.
It's so big.
You could probably fit, without
city?
exaggerating, like this is the 3rd one, which is the biggest of the 3. You could fit, I'd say 4, probably 4 rugby fields in here. It's huge. It's so long, just wildly big. We've just got back on the boat. It's happy hour, so we've just got a couple of drinks.
Although I can't tell if my wine is off or not because it's red wine and who knows how long it's been there for, and it was open.
Yeah, it looks like it's been sitting there for quite some time open. I think all we're going to do is have dinner at 7 o'clock, which I'm really looking forward to. We walked past the kitchen a second ago and it smelled really, really good.
It smelled like dessert.
Yeah. After that, we might just retire to watch a movie.
Retire?
Yeah. maybe stay up here for a little bit, watch all the boats. It's so nice and it's so calm. It's like so beautiful.
Actually, I think I remember him saying that there was squid fishing.
Oh, I might do some squid fishing then. He also said karaoke.
Not down for karaoke, I need a few more of these.
Yeah.
And some music concerts.
Yeah. No.